Hello viewers, I am Siddharth and welcome to my channel. So today in this new video, I am going to show you how to repair an anvil. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So this is the anvil which I have got. This is an old and rusty anvil. As you can see, the surface of the anvil is not in a good shape. So I am going to repair it first. So if you see it closely, you can see a lot of cut marks are there, chisel marks are there, craters are there. So this is not fit for use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to repair the surface of the anvil and make it fit enough for use, good enough for use. You can see the cut marks are sprayed all over the surface of the anvil. The craters are there, the cracks are there, all over the surface of the anvil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill these cracks and craters and then make the surface good enough for use. You can see it is sprayed all over the anvil. All over. So I'm going to apply a few layers of welds on the surface of the anvil and then grind it up and make the surface fit enough for use. So let's start and see how it is done. So as you can see, we have transferred the anvil on the welding table. So our Mr. Sharma is getting geared up for the welding procedure. He has got his apron, his helmet, his eye shield and his electrode holder, and he will start the job now. Now we have started the welding procedure and we have applied a few seams of weld over the surface of the anvil. Now by using a chipping hammer, we are trying to remove the flux present on the weld seams, just like this. By putting welds on the surface of the anvil again and again, we are just trying to fill the gaps present between the weld seams so that we will have to spend less time on grinding the surface. So this is how it is done. Now by grinding the edge of the anvil, we are trying to prepare the edge of the anvil. So this is the anvil and how it looks after layers of welding and then grinding up the surface. Now it is in a much better condition than it was earlier. So it has got a now flat surface now. I have filled the craters, cracks and the chisel marks by welding the surface and then grinding it. I made the surface flat. As you can see, now it is fit for work. You can see the edges are sharp now, the cracks are gone, the chisel marks are gone. We have achieved the flat surface. Now it is ready for use.